Investiture ceremony is a significant milestone for the Student Council.
It's a formal recognition of their roles and responsibilities and a celebration of their commitment to leadership.
In an assembly filled with leaders of the future, we are proud to host the investiture ceremony for the newly elected council members at Ryan International School, Malad, ICSE.
Join us as we bring you some glimpses of the oath-taking ceremony.
Welcome to the Investiture Ceremony 2025 of Ryan International School, ICSE Malad.
Join us in witnessing this journey from potential to power.
We now present to you the moment that we all have been waiting for, the official appointment of the Student Council of 2025.
Today isn't just about badges or positions, it's about earning the trust to lead with responsibility. Since my dear future leaders belong to the era of social media and acronyms, I would like you to introduce you to one with a fresh perspective. LIT. L stands for leadership, not as a symbol of power, but of service. Service to your school, your teachers, your peers, and especially your juniors. As they say in the armed forces, service before self. I hope to see you all give back not just to your school, but to your nation as well. I stands for integrity, doing what's right even when it's difficult, especially when it's difficult. Whether it's standing up for a classmate or owning up for a mistake, it's your honesty, not your title, that will define your leadership. And T is for teamwork. As our national motto reminds us, Ekta mein hi Shakti hai. There is strength in unity. Support each other, lift one another up, and grow together. So today, wear your badge with utmost pride, but remember to lead with utmost humility. Heartiest congratulations to one and all present here. Jai.
What post have you been elected for?
I've been elected as the president for the academic year 2025 to 2026.
I have been elected as the vice president.
I have been elected as the prime minister for the academic year 2025-26. I have been elected as the deputy prime minister for the year 2025-26.
I have been elected as the speaker for this academic year. I have been elected for the post deputy speaker of our school. What advice would you like to give to the newly elected council members?
Be responsible, be empathetic, and be attentive to every details around the ecosystem. So then you can also contribute being a citizen scientist for making this world a better place.
I would first like to say them all the best, and they are the chosen members of the God. So they should go with a full enthusiasm and determination and hard work what they have to give to the school, because with their flying colors and the flying whatever the strength they are going to give to the school is going to make the school shine high with the colors. This is the only thing I would like to say, and let them always trust in God and have their full determination in themselves, hard work, go ahead and trust in the school, so that whatever they do good for the school should go good for the whole team.
How do you plan to carry out your responsibilities?
I plan on being a responsible leader and working closely with my parliament to bring about positive changes in our school functioning.
We plan to work as a team. We plan to make the school a better place for the people to live in and for them to carry out their education.
I promise to carry out my responsibilities with a lot of patience, confidence and full authority, and make sure that my peers and juniors do the same. Firstly, I would like to be a person who does everything with vigilance and grace. At the same time, I promise to do all my duties with a lot of hard work. And I also promise to help all my fellow Ryanites to be the best versions of themselves.
I believe that I'm an individual who values growth over perfection. I also aspire to faithfully execute our office by helping my fellow Ryanites and coordinating with them at all times. I plan to carry out my responsibilities by making sure that every student feels heard, valued and represented in our school.
Parliament teaches council members governance, teamwork and responsibility, echoing the values of our nation and Ryan's group vision of holistic growth.
We wish the newly elected council members all the very best for the upcoming academic year. On that note, this is YJ Rashid
and this is YJ Trisha signing off for
Young Journals on Ryan TV.